Milano San Rocco wastewater treatment plant, from you to you. San Rocco facility serves the western area of Milan and annually returns over 100 billion litres of clean water to the environment. Milano San Rocco is a wastewater treatment and recovery plant with a potential of equivalent population of more of 1 million. It is in the border area between the municipalities of Milan, Rozzano and Opera. The plant purifies and recovers wastewater for irrigation from the western region of the city. The building was built between 2001 and 2004 on the outskirts of the city, close to Ronchetto delle Rane village, and it fits into the typical agricultural landscape of southern Lombardy region park without hindrance, following the orthogonal perimeter of fields subdivision. 3 sides of the plant are characterized by an earth embankment, covered by a green buffer of trees and shrubs, a natural filter against air and noise pollution. The 4th side, which is 250 meters long, is inserted in the horizontal Lombard landscape, and its evocative colors were chosen in an evocative way. Color becomes the symbol of the gradual process of wastewater treatment and purification, which goes from its entry in the plant to its reintroduction into the environment. Introduction. After its domestic use, water is collected in the sewer system to which each building is connected. Sewage contains different types of pollutants, which can be eliminated before being returned to the environment. This is the last step of the integrated water service, made possible only by a specialized plant, as the Milano San Rocco water treatment plant. Screening and lifting. The first plant sections are dedicated to specific treatments aimed to filter all the physically identifiable pollutants. 4 automatic screenings, referred to as cores, block solid objects wider than 3 centimeters. This is followed by the transition of sewage into 8 automatic screenings called fine, which block solid substances that escape to the coarse screenings up to 3 millimeters wide. Degreasing and degreasing. It's through the passage into 4 degreasing tanks that sewage cleanses itself from the sand that settles on the bottom before being aspirated. Through continuous air agitation, oils and greases float on the surface to be then collected by an automatic system composed of superficial blades that push them towards a collection and discharge channel. Biological treatments. Now free of solids, grits, oils and greases, sewage needs to be treated for the depletion of organic substances. Milano San Rocco plant is equipped with 4 organic lines, adding to a total volume of about 155,000 cubic meters of water. It is the most important and delicate section of the plant, where most of pollutant substances in the sewage are removed. 4 compressors, sized for about 1,400 kilowatt each, provide the air that is necessary to the process through a microbubble diffusion network at the bottom of the tanks. A section of biological basins uses MBBR technology, Mobile Bed Biological Reactor, which increases the amount of bacteria colonies dispersed in the form of flakes, with colonies attached to a multitude of plastic supports designed to host them. Clarifiers. After being purified from organic substances and nitrogen and phosphorus compounds, water is now separated from biological sludge sedimented at the bottom, thanks to 12 clarifier basins. Chemical phosphate removal. Some residual phosphorus, whose release into surface water would cause anomalous plant growth phenomena, is also removed via ferric chloride dosing. The dosing of ferric chloride allows phosphorus to precipitate, making it easily removable by filtration. Sand filtration. The compounds formed by precipitation of phosphorus are then separated from water through a filtration system. The resulting water collected under the sandy layer is now clear and purified. Disinfection. One last treatment marks the passage of water into the plant before re-entering the environment. Water goes through disinfection channels, where batteries of ultraviolet lamps are immersed to kill the microorganisms and to obtain completely disinfected water. Laboratory. At this point, water is drawn and checked by an internal analysis lab, where also sewage water is tested at its arrival at the plant. Discharge of water. Water is now ready to be returned to the environment. It is purified and disinfected water, which is normally discharged into the southern Lambro River. Between May and September, water is instead used to irrigate the fields, feeding Pizzabrasa e La Carlesca canals. Sludge Line. The excess biological sludge produced in the water purification chain is sent to a parallel treatment called Sludge Line. Deodorization. Here, the air coming from the closed rooms and the sludge line is collected. The air is conveyed into two air towers, where it gets washed with acid and basic solutions to eliminate polluting molecules responsible for unpleasant odors. Conclusion. All that is natural and has entered the plant, water and air in particular, has been treated and purified. Milano San Rocco plant has therefore confirmed its functionality and philosophy, to give back to the environment with full respect for it. Milano San Rocco wastewater treatment plant, from you to you.